Little ghost, you're listening.
You begged me to come after you, to look for you in hell. Well, that's exactly where I found you, and you can stay there for all I care. You were my first kiss. Fell asleep in your arms in your precious orchard.
Beatrice, wait! Wait! Wait!
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into
Leah's been my best friend since high school.
What?
I want to be
Why don't you just stick a knife in my heart and get it over with?
my wounding wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger
Beatrice,
inside.
I'm not your Beatrice anymore. Dante was a self-absorbed, arrogant slut.
class is dismissed! Can't you just tell me what you want, Julian?
We fill the gaps, you and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded
I'm miserable. Seeing you again after all this time and seeing you like this.
You never gave me a chance. How the hell would I know what you want? Well, you won't fucking talk to me!
Shouting at me won't persuade me to talk